She's awake.
She's all better.
Oh, hello, who are you?
This is Kitty, and this is Mimi, Princess.
Hi, nice to meet you, Princess.
Yes, same to you. I don't know how I could ever repay you for giving me back my crown.
You would have to thank your brother Alexander for that, actually.
Alex?
Yes, but actually I think you know him as Allard now. We just saw him a while ago at Koala's Pond.
To be safe, the princess quickly used the crown's powers to restore what Zalad had tried to destroy. Evergreen Forest was growing and glowing once again, and everything came back to life.
Princess, this reminds me of the day that you and your brother were born, and the kingdom really became happy.
Now, if we could only find Alexander again.
Somewhere in the forest, the last of Koala's evil spell was wearing off.
We could be too late. Maybe he had to fly away to protect himself. And we might never see him again.
Yes, Zalad is gone.
I don't believe it.
My name's Alex. I'm from the Crown Castle family who takes care of Evergreen Forest.
It's him! He changed again!
Oh, Alex!
Sarah, it's so good to see you.
You too.
When the kingdom had returned to all of its glory, there was a ceremony to thank Kitty and Mimi. Sarah and Alexander found the happiness they deserved, and they knew that soon their parents would awake, and they would all live happily ever after.